Chair, we said we'd come back with content. So content sort of, whatever the word is, allowances or restrictions, and also Will's obviously answered some of the questions around the screens. I don't know if you want to go further into that.
Well, we wouldn't mind a paper coming towards us just with, all the information, Will, if it's possible.
Fees per site, Mike? The fees per site?
Councillor Henderson?
Well, just to reiterate, I'm not against this. I'd just like to see some structure and control and conditions around what sort of advertising can be on the signs and who buying that sort of thing. Just if that could be please minuted as well, because that's something I don't understand.
Okay, Mr. Green, would you like to read out the suggested resolution? The suggested resolution has got a steer that we agree with it, and we'll refer it until February, and then by that time we'll come back with the contents of it. Are you happy with that, Kevin? Yeah, just defer. So in principle you've got that okay, but then we just look back of your discussions with the contents in it. Yeah. You happy with that, John?
Sorry, yeah.
Yep. Okay. So we'll defer item number 11. Screens until February. Okay, we are going to stop.